Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another free session on YouTube on Botany Insider. If you're new to Botany Insider, make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to download our application from the iOS as well as from the Play Store. We have a number of courses ongoing. Let everyone join in, then we'll start off with the class. We'll be discussing the previous year question. We'll try to solve the previous year questions in this particular session. Something that's very, very important from the exam point of view. I hope the presentation is properly visible to all. Let's begin with the class. This is the eighth free session. We have already taken seven other sessions. So you can check the playlist and get into all the classes, all the free classes. In addition to that, we have a number of courses ongoing, the live courses. So we have a revision and a PYQ course ongoing for you all. We have a crash course for December 2024 and we have a full course ongoing for the December 2024. Right. In addition to that, we have our recorded batches as well, which includes your general aptitude classes, recorded classes for December 24, PYQ solutions, detailed PYQ solutions, we can say. So, whichever is your interest area or whichever is your own requirement, you can download our application. All the links for the application are in the description box, right? So, we'll be discussing about this particular question. The question is a student used the mark capture recapture method to assess the population size of the grasshopper in a field. The student was asked to repeat the recapture process for 3 consecutive days, right? So we are given the observations for the same. The procedure followed by the student and the observations are as follows. On day 1, 40 grasshoppers were captured, marked, and released back. On day 2, 60 grasshoppers were recaptured, of which 4 were marked. He marked the unmarked ones as well and released all of them in the field. Third, on day 3, 50 grasshoppers were recaptured, out of which 4 were marked. He marked the unmarked ones and released all of them into the field. And then the last is on the fourth day, 25 grasshoppers were recaptured, out of which 6 of them were marked. Question is asking us to find out the mean of these observations. Estimated population size would be how much? You should remember or you should recall that the number or the estimated population size is calculated as S1, that is the sample size 1, multiplied by sample size 2, divided by the number of individuals that were marked in the sample size 2. That's the question that's there. That's the formula that we have to apply. Sample size 1 multiplied by sample size 2 multiplied by divided by the number of individuals that were there in the second sample that were marked. Mark it, everyone. It's not a difficult question. The question looks very difficult for the time being, but if you like understand the question properly, if you understand the segment of the same properly, you will not make a mistake. Try it out, everyone. Done, everyone? Let's solve it. So the question is, a student used the mark capture recapture method to assess the population size of the grasshopper in a field. The students were asked to repeat the recapture procedure once in 3 consecutive days. So on the first day, if 40 was the initial number, right? 40 were the individuals that were there, that is S1, sample 1 was 40. Now multiply it with the sample size second, that is 60 divided by 4. So this is the first case. This will be the estimated population in the first one. Followed by that, second will be on second day, how many individuals do we have? We have the first sample will be 96. Why? Because 40 plus 60 is 100 minus 4, because 4 of them were already marked. So 96 into 50 divided by 7, because that's the number of marked individual in second scenario. So calculate. Third is 50 of the were recaptured again, but no, sorry, 25 were recaptured again and 6 were marked. So now over here what happens, number of individuals will be how much? 60 plus 40 plus 50 minus 7, so that is 143 into 25 sample size second divided by 6. So this is the number of individuals in the third consecutive day. And when you solve these three out, you'll get the final answer, where we have to, in the end, we have to find out the mean of the three. So 40 into 60 divided by 4 is 600. Then this will be approximate 685. This will be approximate 595.8. And the average of 3 will be, add these 3 and divided by 3. That's how we calculate the average of the individuals, right? So 627 will be the correct answer, or approximately 622 will be the correct answer, because that's what the question is asking you. Did you understand the question, everyone? It was a 4 marker that was asked in the examination, and I'm expecting the question is clear to all. If this is clear, then we can discuss other questions as well. Yes, is the question clear to all? Okay. So this was the question that we had to discuss. If you feel like that these questions are important for you, and you wish to practice out such question on daily basis, you can download our application and get yourself enrolled in the number of courses that are there. There's a course which is the PYQ and the revision course, where we solve out previous year questions on daily basis in detailed manner. So you can download our application and get yourself enrolled. The link of all of these things are in the description box, right? So let's meet in the next class now. Bye everyone. Take care, and we'll see you in other classes. Okay.